Meanwhile, we're also looking at further updates coming in. Remember, the Bihar police, which is currently investigating this matter in Mumbai, they have now widened the probe as well. Now, speaking to Mirror now about Sushant Rajput death case, the Bihar police also revealed that they will speak to Bollywood filmmakers to probe if Sushant had issues on the film set. In fact, they will also record the statement of the doctors who conducted his autopsy. The cops also revealed that they spoke to the doctors who counseled Sushant at that point, and they were informed that Ria's kin were in fact present at the time during Sushant's counseling. Meanwhile, Sushant's kin were never present during the counseling sessions or kept in the loop of his mental health. Let me go across to my colleague Santya, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Santya, big updates now coming in with regards to how the Bihar police is looking into this, how they're widening the probe. What are the information you're picking up? What are your sources telling you? Because there are also now more revelations coming in about how Ria's kin attended the counseling session, but Sushant's family was never kept in the loop of his mental health.
Yes, absolutely, Apurva, and this is the claim made by Bihar police. So according to Bihar police, they have spoken to the doctors who were counseling Sushant as he was battling depression. During all the sessions, whether those sessions who took place at Sushant's home or the ones which took place in the doctor's clinics, in every session, Ria Chakravarti and her family members were present with Sushant. But according to Bihar police, and they are basing this claim on the conversation they had with Sushant's doctors, that Sushant's family was not kept in loop about his mental health. Apart from that, another thing which Bihar police has mentioned is the line of their investigation now. Today they are going to speak to Bollywood personalities, specifically directors and producers, to understand whether there was any change in Sushant's behavior on sets, whether there was any disruptions in the shooting or not, because according to Bihar police, one of the allegations made by the family is that Sushant was in such a bad shape because of Ria Chakravarti that his work was getting impacted. So Bihar police wants to clarify, wants to cross-check these claims made by the family members. Apart from that, Bihar police is also going to record the statement of the doctors of Cooper Hospital, the team of doctors who conducted the post-mortem of the late actor in this matter, Apurva.
All right, Santya, request you to stay with us at this point. We're getting more updates coming in. Now on Thursday, remember Bihar police there visited multiple banks in Mumbai to get the details of Sushant's finances, and they also recorded the statement of Ankita Lokhande. But what stood out is the fact that Bihar cops were in fact seen traveling in the auto rickshaw while they went from one place to other to conduct their investigation. Now this at a time where we're looking at the probe of the Bihar police, which has also widened. Now remember, the Bihar police have been in Mumbai for almost a week now to probe the Sushant death case. In fact, more updates coming in is that the Bihar government has now alleged that the Mumbai police officials weren't cooperating in this entire investigation. Bihar Advocate General has said that generally, when the police teams travel to different states, there is cooperation that is given to the state police. Now, this investigative team that is looking into the Sushant case reportedly did not receive any kind of cooperation from the Mumbai police.
बराबर से रहा है कि जब कोई भी एक स्टेट का पुलिस दूसरे स्टेट में जाती है किसी केस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने, एक्यूज के तलाश में, ये तो अमूमन उस राज्य, उस प्रांत, उस प्लेस की सरकार, पदाधिकारी पूर्ण सहयोग करते हैं। नहीं सहयोग कर रहे हैं, ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।